Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a board cover to a Pinterest board. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, open the Pinterest board. Now, you can see a 3 dots icon at the right top side of your screen. Tap on it and then select Edit Board. Here, you can find a plus icon under board cover. Tap on it and then select a board cover. Adjust it and then tap on the Done button. And that's it. Tap on the Done button. This is how you can add a board cover on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.